What's going on, everybody? Emma here. I know I look like a mess. Don't laugh. Maybe you can. I don't care. But we're filming another video today. Well, I am. It's a little bit later in the night. It's like 10:42 at night, and I'm filming this. Oops. I should have filmed earlier in the day, but today was chaos. So I'm gonna be doing this one. It's called Assault Weapon. It's salt. Looks like a grenade. Don't quote me on that. YouTube, back off. So we're gonna twist this open. Never had this one, mind you. It's just been sitting in the box of mysteries for I don't know how long now, but. Whoa. Whoa. That was a gigantic whiff. And this is a brand, The Generals. It's habanero infused salt. Before I do this, I'm going to ask that you all subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a video. And comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll try and make it happen in a video or on a live stream. I'm so worried that this is going to hurt worse than it usually does. But I have water off to the side. I have paper towels somewhere. I think they're on the chair over there. I'm too lazy to go and get... Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Cats. Life with cats. But, without further ado, let's do this. Terrified. I'm gonna go ahead and line my stomach real quick to show you all I'm not lying. Like, this is my water. It's good to line your stomach with something like water beforehand so it doesn't screw your gut up entirely. Let's do this. I'm gonna pour a little bit on the table. Okay, I got one. I am gonna have to wash my hands after this, mind you. Oh. Proof I have it on my tongue. Really? What? This is the salt. Whoo, there it is. I saw you get 2 or 3 in my mouth. Ooh, there's that salty flavor. Getting a little bit of habanero flavor, but that salt really takes over. Ooh, whoa. Anyway, that wasn't spicy. 0 out of 10 for spice, but I put it at a 2 out of 10, 1 out of 10. Fine, 1.2, 1.5, 1.5 out of, yeah, 1.5 out of 10 for flavor and spice. Okay, anyway, moving on to, once again, the Generals brand. This is Bee Sting Carolina Reaper Infused Spicy Honey All Natural. Maybe if I can get it open. If y'all, whoa, if y'all keep wondering why I'm looking off and out, because the cats are walking around. nervous. Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh, Christ. I don't know how to do this. I got some on the tip here. Straight on the tongue. Oh my god. Dude. Whoa. That's got like, it's a strong kick. .5 out of 10. Great flavor. And that kick. Whew. It exists. Ugh. Moving on to the next one. I'll be back. And I'm back. Sorry about that. I tried to grab the next product. I am not a sissy when it comes to specific spices or how spicy certain things are. But for what it's worth, those two were really, really good for what they were. Don't get me wrong. Yes, they were good in a sense of flavor, I guess, but except for the salt. The salt was really, really salty. But for the brand itself, what I'm trying to say is the brand itself is pretty good. I do recommend you go find the General's brand because that is something I do highly recommend. So I wanted to go ahead and shout out the people under my comment section in my last video. You know who you are. Thank you so much for leaving your wonderful and lovely comments. I replied to you as fast as I could. Thank you. That made me really, really happy, and it just brightened up my whole night reading your comments. I really, truly do enjoy having you all in my comment section and watching my videos and liking and subscribing. I'm super grateful for all of you. So once again, if you ever see me out in public, feel free to say hello. I'm in Iowa. That's what I can tell you. So I'm in Iowa. I can't tell you anything more until I do a meet and greet somewhere, which I'm still trying to figure out how this is going to work. But in the meantime, let's get on to the regret of the night. Can't believe I'm doing this again. I regret doing corn Frito every single time. It sucks. It sucks. I just know I can't have dairy because I'm allergic. R.I.P. my gut. I love you guys. Just know that. God, I'm so scared. I'm grabbing my paper towels, and then I'm gonna wash my hands after this video. Am I gonna have regrets later tonight? Probably. My gut might just regret the whole spicy video. Do I care? No. This hurts really, really bad. And it builds, and it builds, and it builds, and it builds. It gets worse. So in my last video, I did one of these as a thank you, and I had to drink water immediately because it did hurt really freaking bad. I don't know what it is. I can withstand purgatory to an extent. Cheers. Oh, it's so hot. Cinnamon's really good. Heat overwhelms. Ew, hold on. Just so YouTube can't take this down. Hold on. If you guys are wondering where 2 of my videos went, I had to take them down because they got flagged. Because I pretty much had a capsaicin overload and fell over and pushed myself back up. Because I did back-to-back videos and I did the ghost pepper drinking. Also, I fell off the train for like 3 weeks. My stomach needed a break. I didn't mean to take that long of a break, but you know how that is. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I think I'm gonna try jalapeno next. I'm gonna aim for a jalapeno within my next 4 videos. I will be away with family. Excuse me, the 27th, 28th, and I'll be back home on the 29th. Due to Thanksgiving. I'm out of water and I'm trying to ride this out. I'm sorry. But in the meantime, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Emma out.